One of the cheapest countries in the world has officially launched its digital nomad visa, last updated one day ago. Colombia has officially launched its digital nomad visa, and it's one of the most accessible choices for digital nomads looking for an affordable place to live. This South American nation has long been a popular hub for digital nomads and expats, who are drawn to Colombia's vibrant culture, diverse landscapes, and low cost of living. Colombia is now joining many other countries around the world in launching digital nomad visas specifically designed for remote workers and entrepreneurs who want to live abroad long term. Here's everything you need to know about Colombia's new digital nomad visa.